So basically last week I was using my car keys and the button came out. So this is my car key and the button came out, and obviously I looked on eBay, and to buy a new key fob was really expensive, looking about 40-50 quid. But I could buy one from eBay, but I'd have to change the chip, the battery and a few other things. So I thought to myself, there must be an easier way than this. So I looked on eBay a little bit more, and then I found these, which I thought was quite good. It's a rubber pad which you stick inside there with a bit of glue, and a presto, it makes it exactly the same as a brand new key. And that cost me about £8.99 for the pad. So now I'm just going to show you exactly how to fit it. It's really easy. So this is the pad. Say this is that costs £8.99. So what you're going to do is you have to, with your old one, just get a little screwdriver like this. Just work your way around the outside like that. Work your way around, clear all the old glue out. Normally, and this will come out as well, you take the metal piece out as well. Using a screwdriver, you can just get this metal piece out, and then you can get a bit of something if you want to clean that all out, and then put the glue around that base there. So you put that glue around, then just pop that in there like that. Okay, push that right down. The glue sets pretty quick, so there you are then. So that's glued in now. Just push it right down. Leave that to set for a bit. Okay, leave it to set for a bit. It's a really good idea, this. Save you a lot of money for the sake of putting just one pad on instead of changing the whole key over. Then what I'm going to do is just put some glue all the way around this inside of there. Okay, plenty of glue on. Okay, wait for it to get tacky. You know what it's like. And then press the pad in to the glue. Hold it for a bit so it stays. And there you go. It's good as new. Oh, a little bit up there, but just keep pushing it in. So, saved a lot of money on there. It's definitely a job well done. Try it on the car. Try it on the car. There we go. Closed.